Today's we are going to remaining problem in a practice set 1.5. आज आपण प्रॅक्टिस सेट 1.5 मधील उर्वरित प्रॉब्लेमचा अभ्यास करूया. Problem number 4 in a practice set 1.5. The denominator of fraction is 4 more than twice its numerator. If 6 is subtracted from both the numerator and the denominator becomes 12 times the numerator. Find the fraction. First, you understand the meaning of this problem. प्रथम आपण या शाब्दिक उदाहरणाचा अर्थ समजून घेऊया. The denominator of fraction is 4 more than twice its numerator. एका अपूर्णांकाचा छेद अंशाच्या दुप्पटीपेक्षा 4 ने जास्त आहे. If 6 is subtracted from both numerator and denominator, त्या पूर्णांकाच्या अंशातून आणि छेदातून 6 कमी केले असता the denominator become 12 times the numerator. तर अपूर्णांकाचा छेद अंशाच्या 12 पट होतो. तर तो अपूर्णांक कोणता? Here in this problem, the denominator of fraction is a 4 more than twice its numerator. From this sentence, we have to consider there are two quantities, fraction of denominator and numerator. Initially, we have to consider two quantities of variable. Let numerator of fraction is x and denominator is a y. Therefore, twice its numerator, twice of the numerator is equal to 2x. His first condition, the denominator of fraction is 4 more than twice its numerator. Denominator is a y is equal to more than 4 of its twice its numerator. Therefore, 2x plus 4. Hence, y is equal to 2x plus 4. 2x goes down plus y goes down RHS side and plus 4 goes down LHS side. Then we get 2x minus y is equal to minus 4. We get equation number 1. Similarly, from second condition, if 6 is subtracted from both numerator and denominator. First, 6 subtract from numerator is a x and 6 subtract from denominator is a y. Therefore, 6 subtracted from numerator and denominator is numerator is equal to x minus 6 and denominator is equal to y minus 6. अपूर्णांकाचा अंश आणि छेद मधून 6 वजा करून numerator is equal to x minus 6 and denominator is equal to y minus 6. From second condition, we get the denominator is after subtraction of 6 y minus 6 is equal to 12 times of numerator is x minus 6. अंश आणि छेदामधून 6 वजा केले असता अपूर्णांकाचा छेद अंशाच्या 12 पट होतो. Therefore, y minus 6 is equal to 12 multiply x minus 6. 12 multiply in a bracket x minus 6. 12x into 12x minus 12 6 is 72. Therefore, y minus 6 is equal to 12x minus 72. Here, y goes down RHS side, then you get minus. Therefore, 12x minus y. Here is a minus 6. Minus 72 goes down LHS side, then you get plus. Minus 6 plus 72 is equal to 66. Therefore, we get second equation 12x minus y is equal to 66. We get equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, the coefficient of y is the same, having same sign. Subtract equation 1 and 2. Write down here. Subtracting equation 1 and 2, therefore 12x minus y is equal to 66. 2x minus y is equal to minus 4. Subtract these two equation. Minus 2x minus minus is a plus. minus minus is a plus. Therefore plus minus get 0 is a minus minus is a plus, minus y plus y get 0, minus 12 plus 12x minus 2x is equal to plus 10x is equal to 66 plus 4 is equal to 70. 10x is equal to 70, 10 goes on RHS side, then we get divide, therefore x is equal to 70 upon 10 is equal to 7. Hence we get the value of x is equal to 7. Substituting the value x is equal to 7 in equation 1. Equation 1 is 2x minus y is equal to minus 4. X replaced by the value 7. 2 multiply 7 minus y is equal to minus 4. 2 7s are 14 minus y is equal to minus 4. Plus 14 goes on RHS side, then we get minus. Therefore minus y is equal to minus 4 minus 14 minus y is equal to minus 18. On both sides having same sign get cancel, y is equal to 18. Hence x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 18. Therefore the numerator is a 7 and denominator is a 18. The required fraction is equal to numerator as denominator. Therefore 7 upon 18. This is the required fraction. Problem number 5. Two type of boxes A, B are to be placed in a truck having capacity of 10 tons. When 150 boxes of type A and 100 boxes of type B are loaded in the truck, it weighs 10 ton. But when 260 boxes of type A are loaded in the truck, it can be still accommodate 40 boxes of type B. So that it is fully loaded, find the weight of each type of box. In this problem, there are two quantities, type of box A and type of box B. Let us consider weight of every box as variable. Let weight of a box of type A be x ton and type of box of type B is y. Therefore, the weight of 150 boxes of type A, number of boxes is a 150 and weight of box of one type of box A is a x. Therefore, total weight of 150 boxes of type A is equal to 150 x ton. And the weight of 100 boxes of type B, the weight of box of type B is a y. Therefore, weight of 100 boxes of type B is 100 y ton. From first condition, therefore 150x plus 100 y is equal to a truck fully loaded, the weight of is 10 ton. Therefore 150x plus 100 y is equal to 10. This is the first equation. This equation divided by 10, 150, 100 and this 10. Then we get 150x plus 10y is equal to 1. Equation number 1. या समीकरणाला आपण दोन्ही बाजूला जर 10 ने भाग दिला तर या ठिकाणी 15x plus 10y is equal to 1. इक्वेशन नंबर 1 मिळेल. Second condition, we get 260x plus 40y is equal to 10. We get equation number 2. 260 boxes of type A, total weight is a 260x plus 40 boxes of type B, the weight of 40 boxes of type B is a 40y. The full loaded truck is a 10 tons. Therefore, 260x plus 40y is equal to 10. We get equation number 2. Multiply equation 1 by 4. Then you get 4 multiply 15x plus 10y is equal to 1. Therefore, 60x plus 40y is equal to 4. Equation number 3. From equation 2 and 3, coefficient of y is the same, having same sign. Therefore, subtracting equation 2 and 3. Therefore 260x plus 40y is equal to 10 and 60x plus 40y is equal to 4 minus plus is a minus 40y is equal to minus 4 plus 4 minus 60x minus plus minus 40y is equal to minus 4 plus 40 minus 40 get cancelled. Therefore 260x minus 60x is equal to 200x is equal to 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. Therefore x 200x is equal to 6. 200 goes on RHS side, then we get divide. Therefore x is equal to 6 upon 200 is equal to 300 upon 3 upon 100. When these fractions we can write in decimal fraction 0.03. Substitute the value x is equal to 3 upon 100 in equation 1. Equation 1 is equation 1, 15x plus 10y is equal to 1. Substitute the value x replaced by 3 upon 100. 15 multiply 3 upon 100 plus 10y is equal to 1. 15 into 3 is a 45 upon 100 plus 10y is equal to 1. 45 upon 100 goes down RHS side, then we get minus 10y is equal to 1 minus 45 upon 100. Here is a cross multiplication. 100 multiply 100 minus 45 upon 100 is equal to 55 upon 100. Hence y is equal to 55 upon 100. This 10y 10 goes down RHS side to get divide. 55 upon 100 multiply 10 is equal to 55 upon 1000. This fraction we can write in decimal form 0.055. This is the value of y is equal to 55 upon 1000 or 0.055. The weight of box of type A is equal to x. The value of x is a 3 upon 100 or 0.03 ton. When it convert into kilogram to multiply 1000. The weight of box type of B is 55 upon 1000, that is 0.05510. It convert into kilogram in this way, 0.03 ton, 0.03 multiply 1000 kilogram, then you get 30 kilogram. The weight of box type A is a 3 upon 100 or 0.03 ton or 30 kilogram. And 0.055 ton to convert into kilogram to multiply 1000, 0.055 multiply 1000 kilogram is equal to 55 kilogram. Hence the weight of box type B is 55 upon 1000 or 0.055 ton or 55 kilogram. Problem number 6. Out of 1900 kilometer, Vishal traveled some distance by bus and some by aeroplane. Bus travel with average speed 60 km per hour and the average speed of aeroplane is 700 km per hour. It takes 5 hours to complete the journey. Find the distance Vishal traveled by bus. Meaning of this problem, या शाब्दिक उदाहरणाचा अर्थ पहा. आउट ऑफ 1900 किलोमीटर, 1900 किलोमीटर अंतरापैकी विशाल काही अंतर बसने आणि काही अंतर विमानाने पार करतो. बस ट्रॅव्हल विथ ॲव्हरेज स्पीड 60 किलोमीटर पर हावर and average speed of aeroplane is 700 km per hour. बस ताशी 60 किलोमीटर वेगाने आणि विमान ताशी 700 किलोमीटर वेगाने धावते. इट टेक 5 hours टू कंप्लीट द जर्नी. तेव्हा 5 तासामध्ये तो प्रवास पूर्ण होतो. तर विशालने बसने कापलेले अंतर किती? Solution of this problem. Let Vishal travel x kilometer by bus and y kilometer by aeroplane. विशालने बसने कापलेले अंतर x किलोमीटर आणि एरोप्लेनने कापलेले अंतर y किलोमीटर मानू. Therefore, first, time taken by Vishal while traveling by bus. म्हणून बसने विशालने कापलेले अंतर किंवा केलेला प्रवास x/60 hours. And time taken by Vishal traveling by aeroplane. आणि विमानाने विशालने प्रवास केलेले अंतर y/700 hours. We know that by using formula distance is equal to speed multiplied time. Therefore, time is equal to distance upon speed. By using this formula to find time taken by Vishal traveling by bus and time taken by Vishal traveling by aeroplane. लागलेला वेळ बरोबर अंतर भागिले वेग या सूत्राचा वापर या ठिकाणी केलेला आहे. फर्स्ट कंडिशन, out of 1900 kilometer Vishal traveled some distance by bus and some distance by aeroplane. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 1900. We get equation number 1. And second condition, time it take 5 hours to complete the journey. Means time taken by bus x/60 plus time taken by aeroplane y/700 is equal to 5. We get equation number 2. Here x/60 plus y/700. At denominator 60 and 700, first to find LCM. यांचा छेद समान करण्यासाठी प्रथम आपल्याला लसावी काढावा लागेल. तुम्हाला लसावी काढता येतो का 60 आणि 700 चा? तर पाहूया आपण. अशा पद्धतीने आपण लसावी काढूया. LCM of 60 and 700. Here 60 and 700 divide by 2. 2 3s are 6 0. Here 2 3s are 6. 2 5s are 10 0. Again 2 divided by 30 and 350. 2 15 as a 30. 2 1s are 2, carries a 1, 2 7s are 14, carries a 1, 2 5s are 10. Next 5 divide 2, 15 and 175. 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are 15, carries a 2, we get 25, 5 5s are 25. Again 3 divided by 3 and 35. Here 3 1s are 3, 3 cannot divide to 35, 35 rise right as it is. Again 5 divided by 31, 1 right as it is. 5 7s are 35 and 7 1s are 70. Therefore, LCM of 60 and 700 is multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 5 multiply 3 multiply 5 multiply 7 is equal to 2100. This is the LCM of 60 and 700. 2700 divide on both sides of equation number 2. Then we get equation 2 multiplied by 2100, x/60 multiplied 2100 plus y/700 multiplied 2100 is equal to 5. 60 divide 2100 and 700 divide to 2100. Then we get equation number 3. Here 60 divide to 2100, then we get 35x plus 20 get cancel, 7 3s are 21 plus 3y is equal to 5 multiplied 2100 is equal to 10,500. We get equation number 3. From equation 1 and 3, equation 1 multiple by 3, therefore equation 1 is x plus y is equal to 1900 multiply 3, 3 into x plus 3y is equal to 5700. Equation number 4. From equation 3 and 4, coefficient of y is the same, having same sign. Subtract equation 3 and 4. Therefore, equation number 3 is a 35x plus 3y is equal to 10,500. And equation number 4 is 3x plus 3y is equal to 5700. Subtract these two equations, minus plus minus minus plus minus. Therefore, plus 3y minus 3y get 0. 35 minus 3 is equal to 32x is equal to 10,500 minus 5,700 is equal to 4,800. Hence, x is equal to 32 goes on RHS side, then we get divide 4,800 upon 32 is equal to 150. Therefore, x is equal to 150. We shall travel 150 kilometer by bus. Also, substitute the value of x is equal to 150 in equation number 1. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 1900. 150 plus y is equal to 1900. Therefore, y is equal to 1900 minus 150 is equal to 1750. Therefore, we shall travel 1750 kilometer by plane, that is aeroplane. Today's homework, first problem. The numerator of fraction is 4 less than the denominator. If the denominator is decreased by 2 and denominator is increased by 1, then the denominator is 8 times the numerator. Find the fraction. Hint is given, numerator x minus denominator is a y. Then we get these two equation, x minus y is equal to 4, equation number 1. Numerator decreased by 2, x minus 2. Denominator increased by 1, a y plus 1. Therefore, then we get this equation, y plus 1 is equal to 8 times x minus 2. Solve these two equation and find your answer.